Hello, welcome back to these videos. Of course, I'm Teacher Kent, coming at you from Apple Pie English School in Japan with our TPR, Total Physical Response gesture videos. So if you move your body with the words, you learn them 3 times as fast. Because you got to listen and see the words and move your mouth and also move your body. These are actually from English Land 3, Level 3. Level 3 of this green book is 3rd grade, 4th grade, and 5th grade of elementary school. So remember to practice with these words at home. I'll show you. We're using, in Level 3, we're using Unit 3 today. So you can see we're doing appearances. Appearances, we're describing appearances. I'll show you at the end a game that I play with the kids about describing appearances. And here, in the back here, of course, we have different gestures. Gestures at home. We're going to do those gestures too. We're going to learn how to do the gestures for your household activities, your chores, kind of. Let's see. So blonde. Blonde hair. Blonde hair. Usually I just touch my hair. My hair is not blonde. It's kind of brown, but blonde hair. By the way, I have a question for you. B-L-O-N-D. Sometimes you see B-L-O-N-D-E. Why? So can you write in the comments below why? Sometimes it's spelled with a D at the end, sometimes spelled with a D-E. There's a specific reason in American English why. Can you tell me why in the comments below? Yeah, most common spelling is actually with an E. But it's interesting. I can tell you, maybe I won't tell you the secret, but I can tell you something about this person by how it's spelled. That's a hint. Okay, so blonde. Yes, blonde. So touch your blonde hair. Here we go. Dark. Dark. So dark. Again, I touch my hair. Dark hair. Dark hair. Dark hair. Eyes. So touch my eyes. 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 I have, maybe, if I can find the camera. Oh, sorry. So I'm trying to think where the camera is. Yes. You can see. So eyes. I have blue eyes. Blue eyes. Yes. Well, that was difficult because I want to look at myself, but also look at the camera. Why? Quite hard. Please try it yourself. But look in the mirror. What kind of eyes do you have? By the way, eyes, we don't say black eyes. Black eyes. This is what a black eye is. Black eye. Black eye. I have black eyes. Oh, that means somebody punched you in the face. Bam, bam. Now you have black eyes. No, we say dark brown. In American English anyway, we say dark brown. I have dark brown eyes, for example, if you have black eyes. Okay, let's say glasses. Here's my glasses. 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 How about you? Do you wear glasses? I've worn glasses since I was 9 years old. Yeah, 9 years old I got my first glasses. So glasses. I usually do like that gesture. Chum, chum. So even if you don't have glasses, you can do this gesture. Glasses. And teeth. Teeth. Yeah, teeth. I gotta go to the dentist tomorrow. So I'm nervous. How about you? Do you like going to the dentist? Yes, I don't like the sound of the dentist. So teeth. Teeth. She has nice white teeth. Okay. Chin. Chin. He has a stubble chin. Stubble means beard is coming out. You can see his hair's coming out. Me, I have a clean shaven chin today. I just shaved it. Usually, my students know on this video, as you can see, I usually have a longer beard. But no, I shaved it, and so I don't have stubble today. Chin, chin. And so touch your chin. And brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Yes, tomorrow I'm going to go to the dentist, so he's going to practice brushing my teeth again, maybe. Brush my teeth, brush my teeth, brush my teeth. Okay, and here we go. Wash your face. Remember to always, sorry, I should show you the words. I forgot to show you maybe for brush your teeth, brush your teeth. And wash your face, wash your face. Remember to wash your face. Wash your face when you come home. Wash your face. Wash your hands because of coronavirus or COVID-19, of course. Also, wash your face. Wash your face to keep clean if you go home. And here we have wash your hands. Yes, this is, of course, helpful in a sickness. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. I remember Dr. Fauci, America's #1 doctor. Well, I shouldn't say #1 doctor. He's a doctor for the American government, CDC. He said that if anything happens during COVID, what he hopes happens is more kids and more adults wash their hands more often. Because, of course, these are transport for viruses that go straight to your eyes and your ears and your mouth. So you touch something and you touch your face, whoa! So you should wash your hands at least 20 seconds with hopefully warm and soap water. Wash your hands. Or a chemical more than 72%. So I said we're going to play a game. Earlier I mentioned it, but before that, the word of the day is soccer, soccer ball. This is actually my Coca-Cola soccer ball I got for free by buying several Coke at the store. So Coca-Cola soccer ball. That's the word of the day. Then, okay, here we go. And I'm sorry, maybe I'll test you after this, so I'll show you the game first. So these are appearances. Appearances like curly hair, blonde hair, brown eyes, blue eyes. So sometimes on my Zoom lessons, I will use pictures of humans. But also sometimes I thought it's fun for kids, I'll use these pictures. So you can pause the video if you want to see these pictures and try to describe them. For example, he has a striped body, or he has brown big ears. Or maybe elephant has big gray ears. So it's a good way to practice the colors plus the different things. If you want to practice hair, I use human pictures on the internet. Okay, so I'll show you the cards one more time. So remember to practice and do the gestures. Remember, blonde hair, blonde hair. Remember the question right down below. Why is blonde sometimes spelled with a D, sometimes spelled with a D-E? And here we have dark hair. Do you have dark hair? Do you have blonde hair? And here we have eyes. Eyes. How many eyes do you have? Right down below. Do you have one eye, two eyes, three eyes, four eyes? Let's say glasses, glasses. And teeth, of course, teeth. And chin. Touch your chin, touch your chin. So touch your eyes, touch your teeth, touch your chin. She's brushing her teeth, brush your teeth. So remember to brush your teeth, brush your teeth. And here, wash your face, wash your face, wash your face, and wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. Okay, thanks again for watching until the very end and improving your English every day. So watch at least one of these videos every single day to make your English go straight up. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. See you. Tomorrow's video. This week's video. See you.